Well, 5G is a little ways down the track. In about 2020 we'll see it, but already we're seeing carriers invest. Even here today there's an announcement in Dallas that they're putting fiber deeper into the network in preparation for needing fiber to all of these antennas that are going to be carrying the 5G signals. 5G is much more efficient than 4G, but given the demands that we're seeing from consumers, it's really going to be necessary in order to meet the skyrocketing demand. Along with that, there's going to be a need for more capacity on macro towers, on small cells, on distributed antenna systems. All of that's going to have to be upgraded in order to accommodate 5G. But in the end, it'll help us keep up with the soaring demand for data by consumers. We expect over 600% increase in data use over the next 5 years. And there's not enough spectrum coming online to deal with that. We're going to need more cell sites, a lot more cell sites in order to do that. And those cell sites in a 5G world need to be connected to fiber. So that's why we're seeing these investments. We're seeing a lot of the attention kind of counterintuitively on the wireline system, but it's preparing for a major wireless investment that's coming soon. We're seeing a real skills gap growing in the wireless infrastructure industry where there aren't enough people that are trained in radio frequency engineering and trained in the basics of radio frequency dynamics to understand when they're out there in the field deploying these things what it means. As we get more and more antennas closer to the end user, there's more opportunities for harmful interference. There's more need for education. There's also more need for training on the specifics of how do you deploy these networks? How do you get the cabling in place? How do you connect the antennas? How do you make sure that they are optimized? There's a real shortage of people that know what they're doing, and we're seeing a lot of rework getting done. Things being installed, a lot of it not properly, and there's a need, I think, for massive change. So we've stepped up as WIA. We're establishing a training program. We want to teach the basics of RF, teach the basics of, small cell and DAS installation, teach the basics of tower climbing safety and things like that, so that folks are on the same page when it comes to the basics. And then they can go to have training from individual companies or equipment manufacturers or the company they're going to work for that can take them into even a deeper level, but they'll have a broad-based understanding of the milieu in which they're operating.